Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And this is in Palm Spring. And Thursday evening, they have a fun night. There was every Thursday evening, there is an art market and a street market and a museum open. And I was just taking a break. So I have walked in the street the whole night, the whole afternoon. So I was sitting there, and there was this person setting up his music instrument, and then we start to chat. So here is what we are talking about, and I found it's very interesting. He's an open mind person. He's very happy. So we just had a chat. And so I put his information, his channel on the back of this video. On the description of this video, you can see his his own channel. You started.
Well, my parents were actually musicians. They are still musicians, actually. My mom and my dad, they used to play music in the church. So that's basically where it all started from. But my parents really didn't want me to play. They didn't want me to play music at all. Yep. Yeah, I don't think they wanted me to do it at all. So my dad especially, he really battled me with that shit. And yeah, it took a little bit. When I grew up, I just left home and I was like, okay, this is what I want to do. So I just continued from there, and it just didn't stop. I taught myself how to play guitar. Because of that, they would not teach us. But it's funny because I learned on my own. My little brother also learned how to play bass, drums.
Is he on your band, your little brother?
Oh, yeah, I play with him sometimes.
That's so cool.
Yeah, so he has his own thing going on, but, sometimes I play with him. But yeah, that's basically how I started. And then, me and my dad got into it. I had to leave home. And I think I was like 17. And then I left home, to be on my own.
Maybe, what's your name? My name is Kyei.
My name is Kyei.
Oh, what is your music style?
My music style mostly consists of, it's a lot of Afro beats, because I'm African. I've been out here and everything, but I'm actually an African, so I like it to show through my music, obviously. So I do a lot of Afro beats, and I do some Afro neo soul pop, some R&B, and basically whatever feels good to me as a musician. That's what I play for the most part.
What is music to you for your life?
Everything.
That's a little bit.
Music is everything. Everything to me. If I always say this, right? If you take everything from me right now, I'll be alright. I'll be mad for a little bit, and I'll be like, it's fine. But if you take music from me, I'll be really mad for it, miserable for the rest of my life, because that's the one way I can communicate to people, and it's really easy. Even the friends I've made, I met them through music. So that's kind of my number one bridge or connection point for me as a person. The moment I wake up, I'm trying to I just grab my guitar and play. That's the first thing I do. Every time I want to listen to music, it's basically what it is. So it's everything. The one thing I cannot do without.
Do you make music?
I
Not only
do.
play, you write?
Yeah, I make music. I write music, I play, I produce, I engineer. So anything about music, especially even my own music and other people's music, I'm always a music direct. So I just, anything music, call me in.
You seem such an open, happy person. So your music style, I'm sure there is a lot of happiness. And when you are angry, you are sad.
Yeah.
Also, those.
Yeah. It is, of course. Like, I mean, you cannot be happy all the time. You cannot be like, I mean, it will be the most beautiful thing to be like a happy person all your life, but we're humans. Sometimes we get sad, we get angry, we get mad about things, we get frustrated. And for me, that is just kind of my way, like, to decompress, just to let everything go. Like, I could be mad, but when I go home and I stop playing, it's like I forget everything. It's like my sanctuary. I'll say my place of sanctuary, if that makes any sense.
You can see I'm such a novice in music. I'm so ashamed.
No way. No. You don't have. I mean, I tell people, like, you don't have to be a pro to enjoy music or to appreciate music or to be a part of it. Like, it's the commonest language we all can speak. You can meet somebody that cannot speak anything you understand, but y'all can be jamming, and like, it's all fun, and you feel like you know the person forever. So yeah, music is not for like novice, for pros. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. Like, I mean, there's the professional aspect to it, where there's like pros and whatnot. But I feel like, basically, on the basic level, like, music is for everybody. Everybody enjoys it. And
the two of us.
Oh, please.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This way. This way. This way.
But yeah,
the two of us.
Last month I started doing this thing called Jamscape in LA, and normally I would invite my musician friends, and we would jam, like, exactly, and play some music. I would bring out all my musician friends and people that just love music, like yourself. Like, I'll invite everybody. So we would do like performances, like, of our original songs, and then we throw in some covers, and then everybody just joins in on the jam. Anybody grabs guitar, you can play, jump on. So
perfect.
That's kind of my thing I'm doing right now.
So I will put your website on the link of this video.
Thank
okay?
you. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah.
I appreciate you, for sure.